trekking to Manikaran with my homestay owner. There is hot spring there and it's raining as well. So yeah, on my way. That's the Parvati river. Guys, it's raining, so I can't shoot much, but I have trekked from there and come here. This is the road. We're going to Manikaran. It's raining, so you can imagine just climbed down all the way from there and got up all the way from here, and now on the main road. Bobby is going with me. Such a nice host. There is the Silha village where I'm at, and this is the road to Manikaran. Guys, trekked all the way from there up. That's the Silha village, and came down there and climbed up this hill and mountain. And now at a friend's place, Bobby's friend, so Kunal. So we'll be taking his car to Manikaran. So let me just show you. Let's talk to them. Guys, I'm at Parvati Central now. This is Kunal's. Or Bobby is here.
Hello.
And Kunal is there. He's making Maggie. So we'll talk to both of them because these two people are the owners of respected homestays here. And बॉबी का होमस्टे सबसे पुराना है ना बॉबी? कितना दिन हो गया आपका? 3 साल. तो बॉबी वहाँ पे अपने फैमिली के साथ रुके हैं. एंड कुछ बताओ बॉबी आप. कुछ भी. बॉबी मुझे ट्रैक कराने के लिए लेके आते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. अभी हम मणिकरण जा रहे हैं.
ट्रैक करके जा रहे हैं.
ट्रैक करके जा रहे हैं? नहीं. And Kunal here is making Maggie. Hi. And it smells so delicious. मुझे नहीं खाना.
Smells very spicy.
Yeah, smells. अभी बारिश के मौसम में ऐसे बैठ के चाय और मैगी का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत सही है.
Yes.
कुणाल, आपका सेंट्रल पार्वती कब ओपन होगा?
I opened this on 3rd June.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो is it ready to be occupied अभी?
No, it's not ready. It will take like a week's time.
Okay.
So that people can come and stay here.
Okay.
Yeah, there is washroom under construction, so.
Okay. So you will be having washroom separate?
Yeah, separate washrooms, not attached.
Okay, it's not attached. So Central Parvati will also be ready in a week's time or so if you guys are planning to come. And
We have a nice viewpoint. We have a nice huge rock next to our property wherein you can sit and enjoy the view. You can view the village Shila from there.
yeah, we have trekked all the way from Shila to here.
Yeah.
So
in
this,
a short while, we'll show you the view of Shila from this place.
yeah. And where is how far is Manikaran from here?
So from here, Manikaran is 6 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah. In addition to Parvati Central, I have also opened a place in Thunja.
Okay.
In Graham. So
Okay.
it's a wooden cottage.
Okay.
So if people want to stay, it's a no network property. So the project is about silence.
Oh.
No network, off-grid digital detox. So
No network.
yeah, there's no network, but there's like network is available there. You can like walk for 10 minutes.
Huh.
There's a spot wherein you can get 4G.
Huh.
But at the property revolves around the idea of having no network.
So मैं कुणाल और बॉबी का फोन नंबर यहीं पे डाल देती हूँ. मतलब प्लीज कुणाल
For
आपका
sure.
फोन नंबर बता दो ताकि
9999 437 844. I'll repeat it for you. 9999 437 844.
Okay, thank you so much. So this is Parvati Central and he has another place in Thunja as well. Thunja is also a very beautiful place. I'm gonna trek there. And Bobby, आपका peaceful का एक थोड़ा फोन नंबर बता दो. एक ही बार में डाल दूंगी.
70183
थोड़ा ऊंचा.
ऊंचा 70183
ठीक है. तो this is Bobby and this is Kunal. These guys are very very helpful, always taking care. And I dropped something. Yeah. So that's it. Signing off right now. On the way to Manikaran, I am gonna show you once I reach there. If you can see, it's raining. It's beautiful. It's cold. Beautiful weather. And yeah, off we go. Bye bye now. Guys, I am going to the hot spring in Manikaran. You can see how Parvati river is. They say once you fall in this river, you can't get up. I mean, you won't live. I'm sorry, but that's how it is. You can see people have put locks. I'm going to the hot spring. Very, very excited. I hope you can hear me. This is the Manikaran village or the market area. Well, Manikaran village is very, very crowded. I mean, I have my bag right here. Just got a towel. Going for hot spring shower. It's considered to be very, very sacred. So let me show you the market. This is on the way to the Gurudwara. It again started drizzling. Very, very cute shops are here. I am cursing myself why I didn't get more cash. But one good thing is I will end up spending less, because when I see shops like this, I just can't help myself. There is Bobby. Is everyone okay? On the way to the Gurudwara. Super deluxe natural hot water bath.
Sweet Kunal and Bobby.
Okay guys, you have to pay कितना देना पड़ता है? 30 rupees and you can take hot showers here. हाफ आवर के लिए 30 रुपया. सही है?
30 rupees.
हाँ हाँ.
30 minutes 30 rupees. 1 minute जाओ फिर वापस आओ 1 रुपया दे दो.
Guys, I'm inside this hot shower wala place. So you can see, since I'm the only woman here, there are 2 to 3 women take bath together. But since I'm the only woman here, I get the privilege of having this whole place to myself for next half an hour. There is another section. There is a washroom as well, and this is the hot water. Yay! I'm gonna jump in, and guess what? I have just got 0 sugar Coke also. So I'm gonna drink this and then get into the shower. Chalo, bye bye. Shower in the hot spring. Now heading towards the Gurudwara. Let me show you around. Going towards the Gurudwara. That's the way. Let's go. I just visited the Gurudwara. It is so peaceful, and that's the place of the langar. Abhi I don't have much time. I have to go back, so I can't do the langar right now. I'll come back later. Bobby is waiting for me there. ये कुंड है ना?
कुंड नहीं है, यहाँ से निकलता है, सोर्स है ये.
This is the source of the hot water. If you can see, they are cooking potatoes there. Oh, of course. The potatoes they are cooking. चने भी cook कर रहे हैं. चले? Guys, this is the road to Sheela. So the day I was coming here, मैं रात के टाइम पे आ रही थी तो मुझे दिखाई नहीं दिया. But now I just wanted to show you how beautiful it is. Like मैं मणिकरण से वापस जा रही हूँ शीला. So this is the road. Just look at it. Reached my homestay at last. So much adventure. Oh god, I'm so tired. That was Manikaran for today.